Hi, hello, welcome back to the Makeup Squad. It's your girl Stella J. And if you are new, hello, you're highly welcome. Please do hit the subscribe button or the follow button to join the squad. Don't forget to share your thought on the comment section about this look. So if you want to know how I got this look, please do keep on watching. So I start off with my moisturizer. You guys always know I'm always emphasizing you have to moisturize. You have to create a good base for your foundation or for your makeup. So I go in with the Zaron face primer. Concentrate it on my T-zone, but apply it all over my face, even on my lashes too. So for today's foundation, I'm mixing the Zaron foundation and the Flawless foundation. While I was applying this, I discovered it was getting too dark. It was too dark for my skin. So I'm going in with this Flawless Ivy concealer in the, I think the name is Camouflage Concealer. Apply it under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, and I'm applying this on my, just below my chin, so that I'll cancel out some of this blackness of the foundation. So for my contour, I'm using that Flawless Ivy, the one I mixed before, to apply my contour. I like going in with liquid contour because it lasts longer than just powdered contour. So I apply on my cheeks and my hairline too, so that I will not look like I have a mask on. And I use it on my nose. I have to get this nose all snatched up. Then I start blending out my concealer. I'm using a wet beauty blender for this. This beauty blender is from Zaron. Very good product. And I'm tapping it, just tap. Then even that place, that your nose area, have to blend it in. Then on this side, this one took longer because I had to blend. I'm always saying, as a beginner, don't apply your concealer and keep, because it might dry up on you. So I go in with that orange shade for my blush, and this blush wasn't popping on camera like it was doing on real life, but move. So to set all the places I highlighted, I'm going in with still that Flawless Ivy setting powder. I don't know, everything I have flawless. So I'm using it. I dab out the excess, then just set it. I'm not a huge fan of bake, but you could bake after you've set your concealer. Immediately after this, you could bake if you like to bake, but not every look that I bake. So to set all the places I contoured, I go in with that shade. See, on that palette, that is my favorite shade, because it brings up my face, makes it look like I've just been kissed by the sun, if you understand what I mean. So I've started with my skin shade to tackle my smile lines, and I set that place that I use the concealer too. So for my brows, I'm going in with Davis eye pencil in number 3. Outline, then I fill it in. Guys, if you want a detailed brow tutorial, I have 2 on this channel, so you check it out. So to highlight my brow bone area, still that concealer I used before, right? I use it to apply, then blend it out with my middle finger. Guys, I know you guys are hearing that frog sound. Sorry. So for my eyeshadow today, I'm going in with that brown shade for my outer corner. Going in with that orange as my transition shade, and that shimmer as my main color. So we started with this brown, building it up, If I apply, see it's not enough, I apply more. I go in with that black just to clean out that my area, because I will not line my like I will not line today, then it wasn't giving, the brown wasn't giving, so I had to go in with a little bit of black to darken that brown, then set it all with that orange shade. And I blend, guys. I blend. I took my time. I blend. After blending, I go in with that shimmer shade. You see, it wasn't that hard, you know. And I'm applying this. I'm making it like fade out as I'm going inward. Applying this to fade out. I use a gel liner for my waterline, then go in with that brown shade to smooth out my under eye area. Guys, you see that black, right? That's why I don't like using mascara that stains or that doesn't dry up fast. Line my lips with that brown shade. I love this brown shade, God. Then I go in with this lip stain, set everything all up with the Kiss Beauty setting spray. So guys, this is the final look. Hope you learned something from today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, share your thought on the comment section, and share too. Until the next video, bye.